Yo, I'm actually in a rush, but I really wanted to get this video out to you. So on the way to my next meeting, I want to tell you about, and you probably saw by the title of this video, I'm going to tell you why you should not run Facebook ads until you do this. Now this is literally vital. All right, this is so vital. I'm not going to make this video too long because I don't want to kind of bore you guys. So I never bore you guys, right? What I'm trying to say is don't run Facebook ads unless you do this. And what this is, the specific secret that you need to make sure that you do before you run your effing Facebook ads or any type of paid ads, before you spend a single dollar in a paid ad, you 100% need to make sure that you do this. And I'm about to say exactly what it is now. Organic content, organic marketing. The reason why I'm saying, you're probably like, yo, Blade, why can't I do some paid ads? I want to scale my mother effing business. The reason why, guys, is I made the mistake. All right, I made the same exact mistake. What I actually did when I first started out my personal training business. I used to do personal training. I used to sell a lot of courses for personal training. And the first mistake that I realized that I actually made was I jumped into paid ads way too quickly. All right, so what I actually did was I made this course, this phenomenal course. It was probably, I think it was great. I think it was awesome. All right, and one person that bought it thought it was great too. But what I'm trying to say is one person bought it. It was only like one person. So I got like $40. I don't know what I sold it for, maybe 67? No, I don't know. Let's say it was like $40. One person bought it. And that was not because of paid ads. I spent a lot of money on paid ads, by the way. The one person that bought it through my YouTube. Paid ads are not the way to go until you figure out how to get a consistent source of people coming in utilizing your organic content. Why am I saying this? Because if you don't know exactly what your customer base wants, that's totally different than what they need. You don't know exactly what your customer base, your target market, your niche, whatever it is, exactly wants and what they're willing to pay for it, you're never going to be able to get them with paid ads. Paid ads is a way to scale it. But like 3 times 0, think 0 as in the thing is never working. No, I don't use blinkers, by the way. But 3 times 0, like say a paid ad scales by 3 times, 10 times, whatever it is. Really, what a paid ad supposed to do is supposed to scale it by 3 to 4 times your ad spend, and that means you're a really good marketer. What I'm trying to say is, if you don't know how to sell your product first, if you don't know if it's the right product first, why run a bunch of money into paid ads? I consulted a lot of people because I made this mistake as well, and I felt as though I was very qualified to teach about this because I spent a lot of money on paid ads trying to sell this freaking course. I used a blinker there, by the way. Saw that? Pretty cool, right? Freaking New Jerseyan. So the biggest thing that I want you to get out of this video, guys, that I really want to hone into you guys, is you need to you need to do a lot of organic content, regardless if it's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, regardless of what the F it is. You need to do a lot of content creation to figure out what people really want, because what they want is totally different than what they need. So you can make this awesome product, this killer mother effing product that gives them exactly what people need, tells them how to scale the business 10 times, guaranteed, and it works every single freaking time. But no one's gonna buy it unless you actually have people that want it. The reason is because people buy off of emotion. All right, so people buy off of emotion. Let me give you an example here. People are so willing. It's so easy for people to go on a Saturday night to a bar and spend $100, $200, $300 on drinks. But when it comes to buying that new course that teaches you how to scale your business, then they second guess that. But then they have problems trying to buy that next course. But then they have problems trying to fix their credit, pay for credit repair. People are so easy to drop a G note on the new iPhone 37, whereas they're afraid to drop a G on a course that will teach you how to get exactly what you want, exactly what you need in your business. I'm gonna drop the mic right there. It's crazy. People literally buy off your emotion every single time. So I'm trying to say is through organic marketing, through putting content out there, through making videos. Honestly, I wouldn't recommend making a video like this. I just have to do this. I want to get this out to you, and I don't have a lot of time because I'm booked with freaking meetings today. But so don't do videos like this. But what I'm trying to say is, you need to do organic content. So you figure out the offer. So you figure out what really drives people's emotions in your business first. You need to figure out what resonates in your audience first, and don't waste money. I mean, yeah, if you had plenty of money to spend, split test multiple ads to figure out what offer works, absolutely. But if you're kind of starting out with me, like me, and maybe you're 20K and below, and you're starting out like me with a new business, or maybe you haven't made money in the business yet, right? Whatever the case is, you don't have money to just throw away testing your offer. By the way, if you're doing that, if you're split testing for an offer, just run a traffic ad because it's almost cheaper. Just based on the offer, based upon the CTR of it, it will be your best offer. But what I'm trying to say is, do the organic marketing, do the work, do the free work, do 3 different videos. Like today, I did 3 videos here today. All right, I did whatever. I'm A, B, and C. Based upon video A, B, and C, which one has a longer viewer duration? Which one has the most views? And this one has the most views on longer viewer duration, video A. Keep on making more video A, and keep on split testing titles to see what really resonates in your audience. Right? What I usually do is I set up an Excel sheet. Right? If you want it, schedule a call with me, I'll give it to you. You can make it yourself. It's not that difficult. You can probably find something online, honestly. What I'm trying to say is, it's a numbers game too. You got to keep track of your numbers. I mean, I love numbers, but not even that. Just by making content, literally just by making content, eventually you're gonna get a good understanding on what resonates in your audience and what just works. You know, by making content, you're gonna get a bunch of strategy calls. And through the strategy calls, the first question I always ask everybody is like, "How did you find me? YouTube? What video? Facebook ads? Facebook ad optimization?" Make more of those videos because they're bringing me more strategy sessions. And then eventually, once I find out that these Facebook optimization videos are working, I'm gonna boost those ads. All right, I'm gonna take that content. I'm gonna take those Facebook ad optimization videos, and I'm just gonna boost those things. Those are the type of ads I'm gonna want to make. Those are what really resonates in the audience. It's as simple as that, guys. Simple as that. What I'm trying to say is, don't spend a lot of money on Facebook ads or any paid ads. Don't waste your money on paid ads until you figure out your offer. And your offer is not always what you think it is, all right? A lot of people come into the game thinking that, oh, I know my offer because I'm different than every other company, and this is what I'm different about. But that people might not care about that. What I'm trying to say is, figure it out first. Do your homework. Do a little research. Figure out your homework. Do your homework. Do some organic marketing. Figure out exactly what people want. I'm gonna go to the gas station, guys. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to schedule a call with me. I'm more than happy to help you guys out. All right, guys. If you need a mentor to be one step ahead of you, to constantly just help you take the next step, let me know, guys. I want to help. You need that CRM that onboards clients on demand without hesitation, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.